Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After my strategy flashed entry signals on the declining trend line across multiple time frames, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 45-minute, the strategy closed all three in profits on paper. The 1 hour and 2 hour signals, however, are still active. Today's price target was $106.5 thousand, with the 45-minute strategy exiting at $106,681. Personally, I opened early at the first 15-minute signal and haven't closed my trades yet. I'm waiting for a bigger breakout and an exit signal on the 1 hour time frame. Earlier, Bitcoin hit a local high of $107.1 thousand, but as of now, we're sitting at $105.5 thousand. This could mean we're searching for support at either the light blue 21 EMA or the orange horizontal line at $105,000 before ripping up higher. Patience is key here. On the 12-hour time frame, the wave trend just printed a green dot with the VWAP climbing above the zero level and money flow in the green. These are typically very bullish indicators, so keep an eye on this. Today marks the first time in a long time where the lower time frames, specifically the 3-day liquidation heat map, show a clear direction. The hottest area is at $107.5 thousand. You know what that means? Market makers might push the price into this zone to collect the billions in leverage sitting there. Honestly, who's shorting this heavily in a bull run year? That's just bonkers. Looking at Bitcoin ETF inflows, yesterday saw an impressive plus $188.7 million, with BlackRock leading the charge at plus $154.6 million, while Grayscale sold off minus $49.9 million. Overall, institutional accumulation is still in the hundreds of millions, which is a bullish sign for Bitcoin's trajectory. And for the big news today, the SEC has rescinded SAB 121, removing a major obstacle for banks offering Bitcoin custody services. SAB 121 previously required banks to treat customer-held crypto as liabilities, imposing heavy capital requirements. Its removal now paves the way for financial institutions to get deeper into Bitcoin. That's a lot of bullish news. Join the discussion in our Discord, link in the description. I check in there 1 to 2 times daily, so don't leave if I don't reply instantly. If you found value in today's video, make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. And see you in the next one.